Today, we'll explore how to use the Pomodoro technique without a timer. It's simple, flexible, and perfect for people who want structure without feeling restricted by alarms. Instead of setting 25 minutes on a timer, just choose one specific task and work on it until your concentration naturally fades. Your brain will give you signals. It's surprisingly accurate. Environmental cues help your brain start and stop naturally. Use simple signals like the length of a playlist or the amount of coffee you drink to frame your focus period. Micro-Pomodoros remove pressure. You work only until a tiny milestone is done. One paragraph, one email, one section. Then take a short break before starting the next round. The goal isn't to track minutes, it's to build momentum. By counting completed tasks, you create positive reinforcement and stay motivated longer. A Pomodoro routine without a timer is all about flow. Repeat a simple cycle of starting, focusing naturally, stopping when needed, and resting. It keeps productivity high without feeling mechanical. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel QuickGuides to get quick and useful tips that will make your life easier and better.